Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. This is Gakubo Ruth, and I'll be doing a tutorial on how you achieve these braids. As you can see, they are different. They're not like the normal, your common box braids, and so I'll be showing you how you would correctly attach those. So to start off, you will need wax, you will need clips to hold the hair, and you'll also need the sectioning, the comb that you'll be using to section your hair. You also need some really steady hands for you to be doing this. What do you say? Let's get straight into this tutorial. So I start by sectioning my hair, as you can see, and by sectioning the hair I make this triangle parts or whatever parts that you're using, and then immediately after that I go in with the wax to make sure that the roots of my hair are lay flat during the and they look neat during after I have braided them. So I go in with a small piece of braiding hair where I make a small braid that will be inside the overall braid, and then I go in with a bigger piece of braiding hair and then add it as you've just seen. I'll slow down the next one for you to see how this is done, but basically that's what you're doing. That's the whole idea of how to attach the braid to the hair. So if you have any questions, let me know. That's how they will turn out. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll be glad to answer them. So here, look cleanly, this is the second piece that I'm about to start doing here, and as you can see I do a small section, a small inner section, which will serve as the third piece once I have added the bigger piece of braiding hair. Look at this. So I just come with the braiding hair and I tie it above, like as you can see I just made a twist, and we just continue braiding like nothing happened. So yeah, because nothing happened, we just wanted to braid. So that's how you do it, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Thank you for all the support that you've been showing me, guys. It's been overwhelming, and I'm really glad to have a community that is filled with beautiful people like you guys. And so this is the last piece that I'll be showing you. I've already done the braiding, the inner braiding, so, and that's how I'm doing. You see what I just showed you? So you will go in and attach. Look at this. You just, yeah, you see that? Yes, that's what you need to do. And then with that you continue braiding. Hope you get the idea now. So you braid it down, and eventually you will have neat looking braids, and they will be well laid, and this is the final look of the two pieces. Let me know in the comment sections what you want to see next, and until next time guys, peace, and I love you so much. Bye.